Join me as I put some of the most popular Indian kitchen gadgets to the test and see if they really make cooking easier. Today, I'm excited to share with you a unique experiment where I'll be testing some of the most popular Indian kitchen gadgets. And I'm not just any regular home cook, I'm a professional chef. I've spent years in the kitchen, and I know how important it is to have the right tools to enhance cooking efficiency and make the whole process smoother. One of the biggest challenges that home cooks in India face is the lack of time. With busy schedules and long working hours, it can be tough to cook a healthy meal from scratch. Another common challenge is the lack of storage space in Indian kitchens. Most kitchens in India are small, and it can be difficult to find enough space to store all the gadgets and utensils you need. This is where the right kitchen gadgets come in. Having the right tools can make a huge difference in the cooking process. A good gadget can save you time, reduce effort, and even help you cook healthier meals. There are so many gadgets available in the market, but it's hard to know which ones are worth the investment. Indian kitchens are known for their vibrant colors, bold flavors, and rich traditions. From the spice grinders to the pressure cookers, every gadget has a special place in the kitchen. But which ones are the most useful? And which ones are just taking up space? That's what I'm here to find out. Let's start with the first gadget, the coconut grater. This is a classic Indian kitchen gadget that's used to grate fresh coconut for curries, chutneys, and other dishes. I've seen many home cooks struggle with grating coconut, but with this gadget, it's a breeze. The next gadget is the vegetable chopper. This is another essential tool in Indian kitchens, and it's used to chop vegetables quickly and efficiently. The third gadget is the roti maker. This is a popular gadget in Indian kitchens, especially in North India. It helps to make perfect, round rotis every time. I've seen many home cooks struggle with making rotis, but with this gadget, it's easy. The fourth gadget is the spice grinder. This is a must-have in every Indian kitchen, and it's used to grind spices quickly and efficiently. After testing all these gadgets, I have to say that I'm impressed. Each gadget has its own unique benefits, and they all make cooking easier and faster. But if I had to choose just one, I would say that the spice grinder is my favorite. This gadget is a game changer, and it's something that every home cook should have in their kitchen. Not only does it grind spices quickly and efficiently, but it also helps to bring out the flavors and aromas of the spices. I love using this gadget to make fresh curry powders, garam masala, and other spice blends. In fact, I'm going to show you a live demonstration of how to use this gadget to make a simple curry powder. As you can see, the spice grinder is incredibly easy to use, and it makes a huge difference in the flavor and aroma of the curry powder. I highly recommend this gadget to all home cooks, especially those who love cooking Indian food. In conclusion, the right kitchen gadgets can make a huge difference in the cooking process. They can save you time, reduce effort, and even help you cook healthier meals. Today, I've shown you some of the most popular Indian kitchen gadgets, and I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite kitchen gadgets and which ones you'd like to see me test next. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cooking content and gadget reviews.